I'm scared to shoot on this because my light meter doesn't work, so I always have to use my phone light meter.
Oh dang.
Because my battery is dead.
I need to be diligent about turning the light meter on this off.
I don't know where I put my film. Oh, there it is. What's up guys, Eric here from Eric and Myles, and today we're going to be shooting expired film today on a Nikon F. I've only shot on the Nikon F once before in a casual setting. I shot expired film then too, but today we're going to be shooting it with a couple buddies. Torrin, you've seen him in other videos, and another one, Adam. You've also seen him in videos, but just less. So I've got a roll of expired Kodak 400 Ultramax. I have a 50mm 1.4 lens on here. Fun story is that this was actually my dad's old camera when he was younger, so yeah, gonna be fun shooting with this. Hoping to get some good images out of it today.
I have like a weird admiration for anybody who can have a lawn like that without dandelions. Because it's like a constant battle. Yeah, I don't think either of my neighbors really care that much about it. So. Oh my gosh. It's like a, oh.
Need of the star stuff.
I was walking around this area of Maplewood, and like, and with this camera, which is from that era,
And I think like shooting old cars.
yeah.
It's hard to like try to not be intrusive at the same time.
Yeah.
Because I want to be respectful of his stuff, but at the same time it's so cool.
Exactly.
I'm scared to shoot on this because my light meter doesn't work, so I always have to use my phone light meter.
Oh dang.
Because my battery is dead.
I need to be diligent about turning the light meter on this light sensor, but I really want to go back to PCAP and use like Kodak Gold again, because the stuff that I shot on was from 1994, and when I was like just kind of looking through the roll, everything in the middle for some reason is all like. Myles said he hadn't ever been there.
Yeah, Myles has never been there.
Because in high school they just started letting it go.
There we go, now it should be good.
Basically one of the Alfred Hitchcock stories. So good.
Those better be in focus.
Hi, Toby.
Is that Toby Joe?
28 is wide, kind of, or wider. Yeah. That's what I did, like, outside of...
You could probably just step in real quick so you don't hit the window there.
Yeah, take up these windows or something.
So that's like you take whatever ISO film it is and you cut that in half, so like 400 would be like 250.
All right, and that is the video. So I actually filmed this part 10 minutes ago, and apparently my mic wasn't on, so that sucked, but whatever, I'll just redo it. Expired film is crazy hard to expose for. I think this film expired in 2010, so I overexposed by only one stop, but in reality I think I should have done at least 2 or 3, as you can see from a lot of the shots. But some of them turned out pretty good, which is fair. It was a 24 shot roll. I'd say about 4 of them are post worthy, maybe 5. I don't know though. My favorite shots from the day are the one of the red car and then 3 of the white car. I'm gonna show them right now just so you guys know what I'm talking about. It was fun, kind of just shooting something new. Another struggle I had was that my Nikon F, the light meter inside it, I don't have a battery for that, so I don't really know. It's kind of going to be hard. It was kind of hard to try to remember to take out my phone and turn on Lux and get that to work every single time I wanted exposure. I ended up forgetting to do that I only remember to take it out like once every 3 shots, so that kind of sucked. I'd take it and be like, oh crap, this might be under or overexposed, but turns out most of them were underexposed. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I had a lot of fun shooting expired film, had a lot of fun playing with the Nikon F, had a fun day going out with just some buddies shooting for fun. It was a good day for photography. It was super bright out though, so that was another thing that was kind of a downer. As you saw, about halfway when I switched rolls, when I was talking about how my light meter worked, didn't work. When I switched rolls, I switched to Portrait 160, so like the last couple shots you guys saw were not on expired film. Just the first 20 shots you guys saw were unexpired, and those are the only ones I'm talking about. The 4 shots I liked the best from today were the red car and then 3 of the white car, and those were all on expired film. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Expired film is really fun. The only thing that kind of sucks about it is trying to nail exposure with expired film is very hard. It's hard. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful. Check out our other film videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.